difficulty to hard. We only hardcore parkour, you know. He burned himself.
Oh, Danny!
I need you and your people to get out there and guard the perimeter. I got a bad feeling.
This SCAR-L is fucking... When they have armor, it's hard to take them out, but once their armor is gone, my throw is...
Take out the armor.
Look at this.
Oh, what the fuck was that?
Red thing. That's the only thing.
It was like, they're coming after us. Oh shit.
Can't take cover.
Oh, they threw something. Watch it. Oh! I was kidding. I almost died. Oh, we have to destroy all the napalm tanks. Where are they?
Shoot them or something?
Yeah, see, I got that one. I just got that one. There we go.
There we go.
Reach the fuel depot. Let's go!
Another sniper. Right
Sniper!
there. Yeah.
Oh shit. 95? 100. Oh shit! I'm in the fray, son!
Hey. I was on fire and shit.
Use, yeah, let's use this. Ooh, I pressed the button. I pressed the button! Run! Oh, we have to defend this shit.
Now you all know what we're doing here and how important it is.
I'm gonna go
You
up.
all know what's gonna happen if we don't burn this.
Oh, watch it, he's gonna...
Oh, dude. Yeah. AK.
I'm aiming for the guy.
I have normal for my AK. That's it. And I have normal for my fucking SCAR.
Come on, sniper. I got him with my sniper. Grenade.
My body.
I just, he landed on top of me. Oh shit, you see that body? These guys are...
Put another grenade in there. Ragdoll effect. Oh shit, grenade!
Very nice, very nice. We got it. It's gonna blow up. Ooh, ooh, look at that. Oh shit! I should have died, let's be honest. I was right next to it. They can't reach me, they can't throw grenades up here. Dumbass, they keep throwing it. Oh! Help me! The guy walked up the stairs. And there's a guy behind you. I'll get the guy behind you.
Oh!
And I was out of ammo.
I only have pistol ammo. No. Dude, I only have pistol ammo.
Did you kill that guy?
Yeah, I killed one of them, but the yellow guy's in front of me.
Just run, just run. I can if you survive, I can spawn again, respawn.
I'm trying to stay alive. I'm on fire and I'm about to die. Yep.
Okay, but just don't die, don't die. Just it's
I'm burning,
loading for me.
Chris.
It's
I'm
loading.
burning.
It's
I'm dead.
loading. Did you die?
Yes. I'm on the ground. Wait.
Woo! I spawned into the fray. They didn't plan on me having a badass sticky bomb. Let's go. Never mind.
Alert. Explosives armed. Ready for detonation.
Oh, we have to do it all over again, man.
Yeah.
It's good though. It's good. It heals me really quick. Oh, watch it. Oh, we forgot about
What?
the detonator.
Oh man. That's
At least we weren't like halfway into it.
Yeah.
We got this. Come on. You. Got it. So the boss is over there. I can see the boss. Let's take out
Yeah, try to
everybody
shoot
else
him.
first.
Alright.
Oh, he dipped. Oh, he's right under me. Okay, I got a sticky bomb. I'm gonna try to lower the shield of that. Oh, I missed. He went behind cover.
That one's done. Oh, the boss.
Alright, wanna dip and try to get back upstairs where we were?
Damn long. Sorry.
Yeah.
I had a problem with the tank.
Oh shit! Drift!
Oh god! Okay, I'm running. I'm dipping this way.
I'm downstairs? Or where? That's the dead end over there.
Oh, really?
Yeah, like, it's where we came through the elevator thing?
Oh, he's coming. We don't want to hang out here. Let's go. I'm down.
I'm fucked. I'm gonna pick you up. And then we're running. Go. There's a guy right here.
I went all the way downstairs, dude.
I got him over with my pistol. We have an exit to the back, too.
Okay, we gotta go. Go up.
To you. Oh wait, there's restock right here!
Where?
Right here.
I got it. Yes! Okay. Oh, nice. Let me. Okay, go all the way up. We gotta get room between us and the boss. Okay, I got one of them. Oh, we got him. Okay.
The boss is still not up here, he's like barely climbing. The boss is like right under me right now. I'm about to hit him right now when he turns around. I'm hitting his tank. Turn around.
If we stay on opposite sides, we can.
Reloading. His tank. Got one.
Nice. Oh, something's burning me. What's burning me? Going up the stairs over there. You want to go up another flight? Or do you want to
this
just...
one and just keep him away. No.
He jumped back down, dumbass.
Okay, 2,000. I'm gonna run in a circle and get him on the other side, alright?
Oh, he grabs the grenades and he throws them.
Behind him again. I shot at his gas tank.
Nice. I see it,
Throw him
I see it. Nice. I don't think he... Oh, he's got a little bit of shield. I'm gonna get him with sticky bomb. Sticky bomb! Yeah! Dude, that one was a bitch.
Detonation sequence.
Looks like we didn't know where the ammo was.
Escape the
dude,
building.
The thing is falling, remember? All this C4?
Where? How do we escape? Go!
That way.
You know what they say, when there's a fire, you take the elevator, right?